Welcome to Digital Investment. Today I don't have much to talk about today. Market was very slow today. But anyhow, I show my spot portfolio. These are my spot portfolio for today, and these are my positions for today. I lost a lot on physics and farm and physics wala. Physics wala because I thought market was not that booming, so I just you took this position to hedge my position. Hedge my position. It didn't work out the way I want, but it's all right. So today I don't want to discuss anything about any macro or such. I just want to discuss about Swiggy. About Swiggy Instamart launching its offline market. Uh, First, I think I thought, yes, did this cause the rally for? Let me just open Swiggy. Yes, did this cost a rally for Swiggy when it was just slow move and then big increase over this today? Cost a rally for Swiggy because on paper this may look good, but you remember where for fundamental based investor or who's absolutely particular about fundamental, this is not a bad sign. First of all, Swiggy is still losing money. It's losing money like anything. And thing is, with every quick commerce company, they are not yet profitable. You can say Zepto is profitable. You can say that Zepto is not Zepto. Eternal is profitable. No, even Eternal is not profitable. It's a very high maintenance business. It's very high maintenance business. Cash flow is good, but they are not able to manage the cash flow. And that is why it you see his cash flow is also very bad for this business. They are not able to manage their cash flow. I read a report. They are the whatever profits you are reading in here. Okay, I read a report somewhere. I'm not able to open it. Whatever the profit you read here is just from uh, unrealized gains, because these are just unrealized gains. What they did is they any from all the money which they gained from this IPO, when it IPO'd, they invested majority of the money in real estate, or they invested majority of their money in FD, and that is the unrealized gain you are seeing here. Okay, their Eternal is still very profitable. Apparently, I'm not sure how true that info is, but this is what I read. I'm not sure what is the truth, but I am sure Eternal is also a very bad business. Is as bad as Swiggy. It doesn't deserve this good P. It doesn't deserve this much. It's overvalued like anything. It's overvalued like anything. It's still making loss. Okay, is this whatever you are seeing here is just unrealized gain. And coming to Swiggy, and I look at it, Swiggy is all their Instamart business is already losing 1000 crore, and this includes everything. This is and top of that they're going offline store. Be honest with y'all, offline store is already very expensive to maintain. You are paying rent for that. You're maintaining the rent for dark store. You're buying the SKUs for your products. And top of that, you are maintaining the expenses around the dark store and everything. Now you're just adding more to your rent in adding more expense to your P&L. It would affect your cash flow even more, and it would affect even your profits even more. At this overvalued stage of this company, it doesn't deserve to be worth 405. This is worth to me like what, 60 60 bucks or something. And it's not, this wouldn't benefit the company in long term. This wouldn't benefit the company in long term. This would only tarnish the PNL of the PNL of the company, because now you have to not only manage expenses of your dark store, such as electricity, rent, SQs of your dark stores as well. Now you are even expanding. You have to worry about offline store. And why of these expenses of offline stores as well, such as electricity, rent, and SQs of offline store. And why every company is now more into e-com, because they can't bear the, because the rent is very expensive, electricity is very expensive, and you need to keep the stock in hand. That is why most of the company are reluctant to go retail based or eco or go offline, and they are now venturing into offline as well. And this would tarnish the PNL of the company. This would tarnish the PNL of the company even more. But we have to be extremely careful here as well. What, from my point of view, if this is a marketing gimmick, they're just starting it with one store, they would see how it would go. Then Swiggy Instamart offline starts expanding, then it is a very bad news for Swiggy Instamart in long term. This happenings, I don't see them becoming profitable even in the next 20 years, because this would keep adding to their expense. Already they're struggling with cash flow, everything. So I strongly believe, like, uh, you shouldn't even short the stock, because this maybe just be, this just be, if I can open the image, let's try Swiggy Instamart offline store. I think it opened in Goregaon. Yeah, if this is just a marketing or just a testing phase, then we can see Instamart. Then we could see it. Then we could see the cash flow not getting affected. This would be good. We realize that this is not good. This is just adding more burden to our P&L. So I'm staying away from it. But however, they start seeing a little bit of success. They start seeing little bit of. They start, it would eat the company in long term. So that's it. I wanted to talk about Swiggy. And another thing I wanted to talk is foreigners has finally started buying Indian stock in 2 months as rupee started recovering. So, and I saw news that mutual funds are also started buying. So it could be a good news coming up in the market as well. Like I see 2026, hopefully it gets into a bullish phase. So yeah, really hoping for 2 days. I think today, tomorrow, I think market is open and 25th is closed. So tomorrow I hope for a last Santa Claus rally, and then I'm taking a break from trading and investing, because I'm still going to celebrate Christmas and I'm recovering from Christmas on 26th. So yeah, that's it for me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.